Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you makeup do's and don'ts. This side is my do side and this side is my don'ts. Always apply a toner before applying the makeup and always moisturize your skin before applying makeup. Never leave your skin dry. And after moisturizer, it's important to apply your primer and to hide pores and get even skin. It's important to make your base look even. And for the foundation, never apply foundation directly on your face and never blend it out with the dry sponge. If you use dry sponge on your face, it will absorb all the foundation and make your face cakey. Always take foundation on your hand and apply it with the help of the fingers, and always blend it out with the damn beauty sponge. It will blend very smoothly and nicely. Always blend the foundation on your neck area also so that it looks even. You have to blend it very nicely. Now for the concealer, you have to apply the concealer like this for the lifted effect. Never apply the concealer all over your eyelid area or under eyes. And with the same damn beauty sponge, we have to blend the concealer. Never use dry sponge to blend it out. It will absorb all your product. As you can see, my dry sponge absorb all my product and you can barely see the product on my down side. Always apply powder to set your concealer and foundation. While applying contour, never make harsh lines on your face. When you blend it out, it makes the lines and doesn't look good. Always use a light hand and also apply a very little amount on your face and blend it out with the damp sponge. It will blend it very easily. As you can see, my do side looks even and my don't side look harsh, and it will not blend it out. And for the eyes, never start with a darker shade on the eyes with a harsh brush. Always prep your eyes with the concealer before applying any eyeshadow and blend it with the damp beauty sponge and set with the setting powder. And now with a fluffy brush, take a little product and then smoothly blend all over your crease area. And take your time and blend it very nicely and smoothly so that it doesn't look harsh. If you are using different shade in the inner corner, always blend both the colors so that no lines are visible and blend it in very nicely. And for the eyebrows, never go for a darker shade with the largest stroke. Always take your time and take a color that is lighter than your eyebrows, that is 2 shades lighter than your eyebrows. And always use a spoolie brush to blend the colors. And for the eyeliner, never start with the inner corner. Always start from the mid of your eyelid with a very thin line to make your wing look better. Use a very little amount of kajal and always apply kajal on your upper waterline also. It makes your lashes look bigger. Don't go over amount of kajal and liner. And for the blush, choose the shade which matches your skin tone and dust off the excess product and then apply on your cheeks. Don't apply blush too much on the apple of your cheeks. Always go with the shorter strokes. And for the highlighter, never highlight all over your face with the full amount of your highlighter. Highlight only the high points of your face with a smaller amount and with a small brush. And don't forget to apply mascara on your both lash line, upper and lower lash line. And for the lipstick, don't go direct with the bullet lipstick on your lips. Always use a brush or a lip liner to outline your lips. You can now clearly see the difference of both the sides, my do side and my don'ts. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please let me know in the comment section below.
So yeah, that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can notified every time I post a video. Till then, bye, take care, see you in the next video.